Hey everybody, as always, I hope you're doing well out there. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reset a power mode back to the factory default on your Garmin Instinct Solar Watch. Now I mentioned the Garmin Instinct Solar Watch, and that's important because I believe the Solar model is the only model that has power modes on it. So if you don't have one of the Solar versions of the Garmin Instinct, you can watch this video, but it's just going to be for FYI and to see how this works. Power modes are basically predefined values that Garmin delivers on the watch that you can specify per activity so you get appropriate power management. So I'll show you real quick what those look like. I'm going to press and hold the menu button. I'm going to arrow down to settings, press GPS to select settings, and then again I'm going to use the up or down button until we see power manager. I'm going to press GPS to select it. I'm going to go down to power modes, press GPS to select power modes. There's two of them that come delivered on your watch. There's max battery and there's jacket mode. Now I don't recommend changing these power modes. The reason I don't is because Garmin gives you the ability to go add your own custom power mode the way you want it. But in the event that you change one of them, let's just go to the jacket mode one. I'm going to press GPS. You can go into either one of these pre-delivered ones from Garmin and you can change it any way you want to. So for example, I can say for GPS, let's use GPS and Galileo. For phone, let's connect the phone. Wrist heart rate, let's turn it on. You can do whatever you want to make this power mode work the way you want it to work. Maps allowed, display, backlight, let's put, we'll just leave that alone. Accessories, etc. So now I've gone in and I've customized the delivered power modes that Garmin gave me. Now the one thing you can't change is the name of them, so it's always going to be jacket mode. Or if you use max battery, it's always going to be max battery. But max battery is the same way. I can go in there and I can change this any way I want to. Obviously, if it's called max battery and I change the GPS from Ultra Trek to GPS and Galileo, you're really not getting max battery anymore because GPS and Galileo is going to take a whole lot more battery life than Ultra Trek. But again, you can customize them, you can do whatever you want. At any point, when you've got your Garmin Instinct watch, if you decide, you know what, I want to go reset those things back to the way they were delivered from Garmin, it's very easy. All we're going to do is we're going to navigate back to our power modes, menu, settings, power manager, power modes. You're going to specify whichever mode you want to change back to the factory default. So I'm just going to choose max battery. Again, you can use the up or down button, but the very last option is going to be restore. You can press GPS and it's going to ask you, do you want to restore max battery? If you choose yes, you've now reset it back to the factory default. So I'm going to press back and you'll notice that now everything's set back to the way it was. It's back on Ultra Track, no heart rate, no phone. Same thing with jacket mode. If I want to go change it on jacket mode, I can do the same thing. Restore it. And no harm, no foul. You've got it back to the way it was when it was delivered from Garmin. Again, you can create several custom modes on your own, so I don't see any reason to really adjust these unless you just don't feel like going and creating your own. I've done some videos in the past that walk you through how to create your own custom power mode. Maybe I can link that to this video. Anyway, I hope that makes sense. It's very easy to reset the power mode back to factory default. As always, if you've got any questions, post them in the comments. Be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.